Okay, here we go. Boat anchor CB radio repair with another unboxing. All right. And I'm not going to say what it is until I take it out of the wrapping completely. Oh, styrofoam. Okay. Bubble wrap. Six bubble wrap. That's pretty good. Okay. Styrofoam. Okay, here is the actual product. It is a Siltronix. A Siltronix 4-pin radio. Okay, let me get all of this styrofoam out of here. Ah, the smell of old radios. Too bad there ain't no paperwork. Okay, so the cord has been rigged up to it with a fuse. Okay, Siltronix SSB23A, and it needs the PA put back in it. I think that's probably what that is. No, that says external speaker. Okay, well then it needs the external speaker put back in it. Okay, there it is, people. A Siltronix SSB-23A needs to be cleaned up. Albatross. A Siltronix Albatross. Don't know if the meter's working, but yeah. Let's see, NB, RF gain, lower AM upper, fine tune, PA volume. Oh, PA volume. CB is in the off position. Yeah, that looks like it needs to be looked at. Okay, other than that, yeah, I see what happened there. No biggie, I don't think. The screws come out there and the side pieces come off. And it's got feet on it. Well, there it is. A quick unboxing video of a Siltronix SSB-23A transceiver. It's got that banana slicer in it. It says it works. There's the microphone down here in the corner. Huh. Yeah, we'll put it on the bench here and check it out. This one's not going to be for sale. This is mine. This is mine. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. Yep, okay. Boat anchor CB radio repair with an Albatross. Siltronix Albatross. 23 channel sideband. And we're out of here. Bray.